buzzy, buzzy. Me and my friend them buzzy. Nah, ask stress our body buzzy, buzzy. Me and my friend them buzzy. Me and my friend them buzzy, buzzy.
You saw no jump up come pan life. I come talk about me left group. I never leave no blood clot group. RT put out my number on the internet. That is what happened. RT put out my number on the internet and me shut down the phone because my phone no stop ring. And people can't get access to any information once they have my phone number, my address, any fucking thing. You never know what happened. For sure you have my other 3 number, I have my Jamaican number. You ring it. You want me flip the phone and go show the people them when last when talk in a Team Spice group from the 6th of December. No go back in the group when I talk about them have group. I be a cockroaches and bangaroo in the group. TC say rebel a chatter in a class or who said this a one year chatter in a class or me try to fix the group. Me sit down with you, me talk to you. Me call TC pantry we with rebel and I tell you no to fix it. And rebel I apologize and I say a long time she did say this and a long time she said that. And I come act like say me as some look idiot boss and I come talk about be a boss. What more you want me if do for no? Me no work out at embassy. Explain to the people them why you don't have a US visa. You have a Canada visa on the book is me make you get it. You have a US a England visa on the book is me make you get it. You have a Europe visa is me make you get the Europe visa. You don't have a US visa. Why? Because me already have a work permit over 3 years. I'm in a one out of embassy. You cannot go up on a work permit unless I'm ready to renew my work permit. And my work permit now up. Pretty, you got embassy. You never tell me say you got embassy and them turn you down. Tell the people them and talk. You not spin and a go on. Me not own embassy. Me not have no links out there. Embassy no give away links. You have to be filed for. You have to go up on a petition. You have to get a work visa. If you have a regular visa, you can't travel with me. You cannot travel with me on a regular visa and travel up and down in and out of America. You have to have a visa like me. If you can't travel back and forth with me, else them will cancel you regular visa. You not spin and a talk and a act like say me as some fuck up person. And that's the problem with Richie feeling so now. And see it come out to pass, yeah? Your sound no go live? Your sound no go live? You know why I don't go live? Because something bad was said about Uno. But when there's something bad I say about me, Uno do like Uno does say. That's why we sound a hypocrite. Uno sound Uno not ungrateful. Okay, fine. Why Uno never come out come talk before? Why somebody have to come out come say, oh, me not hear the dance of them for the whole Uno go live? Uno never see nothing before. Yesterday Uno never see nothing. Uno never see nobody say, oh, nothing bad yet. Uno keep quiet and play hypocrite. But the moment somebody come out come say something bad will affect Uno, everybody want go live, everybody phone at work. You see me depend Richie Feelings Instagram on me I laugh and I say, them phone must be dead. I dead them phone dead. And I make joke and I laugh. The people them say wanna chat me, I wanna class me. Uno no call me, uno no say nothing. The people them say rebel rob me. Uno no call me, uno no say nothing. Me say yeah man, them ungrateful. Me I go live, Pretty I go live, TC I go live, Rebel I go live, everybody I go blood clot live. So what did they all along? What did they all along when me I say look like on a phone dead? When everybody I say, oh, Rebel said this about me, TC said this about me, this a one year, what did they? And I go act like say chew me a boss, me not feel no way. Hey, uno give me basket, you know? Uno give me basket, you know? Uno give me basket. But remember, me tell you, mighty God, Jesus Christ, man, when me I go turn out for me have to turn out for be somebody great. Me have to turn out for be somebody great. Me have to be somebody great. You gonna say, why me never call you as a boss? And you fi call me, little girl, me and you no size. Is Uno a chat me and Uno a say something bad about me? You not hear say Spice a chat you. You not hear say me say something bad about you. So why am me fi call you? And you a chat me. And you a say something bad about me. TC, you gonna say you call me. You call me for your own business. You call me and cry I water say rebel a chat you. You don't call me about my business. Uno no use back Team Spice group. Uno no use it, you come talk about all of us in a group like the group is perfectly fine. Uno at war with each other and play hypocrite with each other. Rebel rub TC, rebel rub pretty and the whole on a laugh up and a kin up on the teeth and a act like something normal on alright. Uno do alright. And me been a try fix it. When I come talk about. One who can't come out, come talk the factual things. Uno come spin and I come bow. When the money not right, like the whole on the platter, if you notice you on blood clot TC, you pretty, you notice you on TC I talk the same thing, cause you talk before on a company life, a plot on a plot up. I couldn't think people are idiots. When you go Europe and we have to carry one person and two person and the money and the pay. Me go post my receipt, them a 700 US each when you take for when you get for go up and show and 1,000 US when you reach a blood clot. Good show. Uno no get less than $500. No care all the money little bit. And I me a pay on out of my pocket no promote and if a book on for go and no show yet and me go in my pocket and a pay on no. Uno no know no clothes buy, uno no know no shoes buy. Oh you come talk about US visa. Me no own embassy, me no have no links out of embassy. People will get links out of embassy visa get take away. Me no own US embassy. Me no have nobody out there. Me no know nobody. A proper filing me deal with. And if you no go up, you know if you come on me permit, you know if anybody will know how permit go, you have to wait till the permit